Welcome, jewelry enthusiasts. My name is Suzanne, and I'll be your host today as we explore the history, the beauty, and the intrigue of fancy jasper. We'll be inviting our very own graduate gemologist on to talk to us about the color variation in this stone. And I'll be showing him a quick and simple pair of earrings to make using one-step looping pliers. You'll be amazed by them.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
Fancy jasper. Often recognized for its artistic interplay of vibrant colors, is a variety of jasper that can contain an array of hues, including greens, reds, browns, and yellows. Archaeological findings suggest that jasper was a favorite in ancient civilizations like Egypt and the Indus Valley, where it was used in jewelry, seals, and amulets. In terms of metaphysical properties, fancy jasper is believed to be a stone of tranquility and relaxation. It is said to help focus the mind and enhance one's ability to concentrate on a specific task, making it popular among those who practice meditation or other mindfulness exercises. This grounding stone is often recommended for those seeking comfort or recovery, as it's believed to promote a feeling of well-being and contentment.
Hi, Dev. Thank you for joining us today.
Hi, Suzanne.
So today we're talking about fancy jasper, and I have some of the different strands and cabochons and cut stones that we sell. Is fancy jasper a good stone for use in jewelry?
Oh, yeah. It's a beautiful, colorful stone, and it's hard enough to use for the daily use. More colorful, and it's good for the summer and spring.
I can see that, and it seems like it would mix well with different types of metals too, different colors, gold, silver,
golden, yeah,
copper. And then what is its most hardness?
So this is it's a chalcedony belongs to chalcedony species. So it's 6.5 to 7 on the most hardness, and it's a beautiful, nice stone.
Mm-hmm. It reminds me a lot of agate. Are they the same or?
So, yeah, that's a good question. So some people that think jasper, they're different. In gemology, we have agates when there is a banding.
Okay.
So angular banding, circular banding, then we call it agate, and plus they are more transparent or translucent. Compared to jaspers are mostly opaque or semi-translucent. And there is no particular phenomenon on the jaspers. And unless there's a picture jasper, because it got that kind of pattern that gives the pictures, or moss agate, that's has a mossy pattern. So, but otherwise, fancy jasper is just multicolors, opaque jasper.
So is that what makes it fancy?
Well, yeah, maybe. That's how they named it.
So you talked about different color, and I did want to show everyone here. It is amazing, the color variation that we see, for example, within one strand here.
Yeah, so that's, technically that's because of the impurities of different chemicals. So, for example, the red, brown color come from the iron.
Mm-hmm.
And when iron oxide, that gives the green color. And you don't see a whole lot of blue color, but the blue comes from manganese. And the stone itself is silicon dioxide, which is quartz.
Okay.
And that's the stone. But this is chalcedony, so this is a cryptocrystalline. It's a small crystalline parts that makes it chalcedony or fancy jasper. So
I love the variation, like I said, within each strand too, for designing.
Jewelry. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, every strand is different, the color patterns and everything. So
now, where's the fancy jasper that we sell mined?
So we get it. The raw material is mostly from India and China as well, the Brazil. So our handmade stuff like arrowheads and cabochon, they are all done in India. And certain machine cut like rounds, they are from China. And but these are all handmade, 100%. Yeah, that's why they're not even polished properly.
Oh yes, okay.
That's
so
beautiful. Yeah,
an arrowhead, and this type of thing can be wire wrapped.
Yeah,
it's beautiful. So you know how I always promise you a simple to make project.
Yep.
Well, today is going to be even more simple than ever.
Okay.
And it's all thanks in part to these looping pliers, these one-step looping pliers.
Oh, I heard about that. So
these are one-step looping plier. And what we're going to be making today let me just show you really quick, is a drop earring. And what I love about this is it shows the variation of jasper with the 3 different beads.
That looks beautiful. Yeah.
Okay. And what's great is this only takes 3 different supplies. So I have my head pin, I have my ear wire, and I have my 3 beads. I'm going to go ahead and string on 3 different beads. I chose these beads based on color variation. So you can see I start out with a green, and then I have a lighter colored one, and then I found a brown colored one as well.
So you have all the colors?
Yep.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, nice.
Easy. And this is the best part. You're going to love this. So all you do with the looping pliers is you just string the head pin through the pliers, and you see there's a little hole on the other side. And then watch this. I simply bend it, it cuts it, and I have a perfect loop.
That's easy. That's nice. Oh,
Isn't that amazing?
That's perfectly, yeah.
And then all I need to do from this point is add my ear wire. And I'm just going to use the chain nose pliers again to go ahead and just secure this loop. And I am done.
That's beautiful. So the loops will be always the same, right? All same sizes always. Yeah, that's nice. Beautiful.
And the nice thing is the looping pliers are available in different sizes as well. So you can make different size loops.
Perfect. Yeah, that's beautiful. Nice.
So something tells me you'll be ordering a pair of looping pliers.
Well, definitely. After watching you making those loops, yes, I am.
They are so simple to make.
That's right. Yeah.
Well, it was so nice having you today, Dev. Thanks again for joining us.
Thanks, Suzanne. See you next time.
See you next time. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. You'll find product links for what we talked about today below in the description. And don't forget to sign up for our email newsletter so you don't miss a thing. Happy beading!